All right, so here we have the table shows the average length of baseball games in minutes for various years. And so for A, what was the average length in 2000? Well, it was equal to 172 minutes. By how many minutes did the average length of change each year? So what are we going? Well, it looks like we're going down by 4 and going down by 4. So the average length was negative 4 minutes per year. So now that's going to be kind of what it's going down each year. Now find a linear function f that models the data. Let x equals 0 correspond to 2000. So this is 0, 1, 2. All right. So we can do this several ways. We know it's going to be a negative zero point 0.4 is going to be our rate of change. This is going to be our b. So what we can do is we can just write it from that. So which one is this? This is c. So we know that we want the function f of x equals, and now our rate of change is negative 4 times x, and then we're going to have to add 172. So that's kind of our base unit, 172. That's the B. And then we're going to add minus 4 times whatever x is. So if x is 1, we multiply that. That's going to be a minus 4. So it gets us down to 168. And then when we subtract another 4, we get 164 when we have 2 in here. And so that's going to be what it is. And this is going to be in minutes. Okay. Now we're supposed to use this to predict in 2004. So D f of, in this case, 4 is equal to what? Well, minus 4 times 4 plus 172, and that's going to be what? A minus 16 plus 172, so 172, and then we're going to say minus 16, so that's going to be what? 156, I think. So in 2004, it's going to be 156 minutes per game average in 2004. Okay. And that's really all they asked for in this one. So that's everything. And again, we could have done the slope in a different manner. Here they told us, it went down for each year, but we could have said, okay, well, let's take the 164 minus 172 divided by 2 minus 0. And so that's going to be what? Minus 8 over 2, which is a minus 4. And we get the same thing as if what did we get each year? We went down by 4, we went down by 4. So that's the same thing. All right, so that's all I have for this section. So hopefully that helps you.